Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to set up your Shopify Basic Plan in 2025 step by step. Whether you are starting a dropshipping store or launching your own product, this guide will get your Shopify store up and running fast. Let's dive in. First of all, go to shopify.com and go to shopify.com. Then click Start a Free Trial. Enter your email and password and store name. Don't worry, you can change the name later. Then skip. Answer a few questions. Set up like what you are selling and your business goals. Then click next. Now you are inside your Shopify dashboard. Choose from here basic, try basic, and go to your dashboard. Once your trial begins, click the select a plan button in the top bar. Choose the basic plan. It's perfect for beginners, includes a full store name, supports unlimited products, choose with 24 hours and 7 days support, and basic reports. In 2025, the basic plan costs around $39 per month, but Shopify often runs deals or $1 per month trials. Choose monthly or yearly billing and then enter your payment information and confirm. You are now officially on the basic plan. Congrats. Let's customize your store. Go to online theme from your Shopify dashboard, online store, then themes. Choose a free theme like Dawn or Explore premium themes. Click to customize, add logo, change fonts and colors, edit the homepage layout, and go to settings. From your Shopify dashboard, then click store name, like your store name here, store phone, email, time zone and currency. Also, don't forget to set up shipping and tax rules if you are selling physical products. Now let's add a product. Go to product section from dashboard, fill, then click add product. Fill in title, description, photos, price, inventory, settings, shipping weights, and click save from here. And repeat for more products. If you are dropshipping, you can use apps like T-Search or Jendrop from the Shopify App Store to import products automatically. In the app section, click add apps, then click Shopify App Store. From here, you can use T-Search or Jendrop. Before launching, go to settings from here, then payments, and activate Shopify payments or add PayPal, Stripe, etc. Then go to settings, then domain, to add a custom domain or buy a one through Shopify. Finally, click Online Store, then Preferences, and remove the password to go live. Then click Save. Your Shopify store is now officially launched on the basic plan, ready to accept orders. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe and comment below if you want a full setup guide for payments, themes, or dropshipping tools. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.